So in this video, you are going to witness the most amazing thing I have ever seen in my life. So Mum and I did a day tour to Kualoa Ranch where we did the premiere movie sites tour, and it was absolutely incredible. Every time I saw one of the sites, I almost started crying. It was that amazing. The reason I'm doing this intro like this is because I didn't do any talking on the day. We were with two other families and I thought it'd be a bit weird if I started talking to the camera. So that is why I'm doing this now, as I'm about to edit it. But our tour guide was Stephanie, and if you're watching, Stephanie, hi girl. She was absolutely incredible. I could not highly recommend her enough. She made that tour 100%. And I really enjoyed it. And if any of you know me, I love the Jurassic movies, like Jurassic Park, Jurassic World. I love dinosaurs, have loved them for so long. And to see in actual life where it was all filmed, like, was so bloody overwhelming. So here you go. This is Kualoa Ranch.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And now she's bent over trying to find it, right? And that's when she runs over the penguin. No animals were harmed, okay, guys, all right? This is where he has all those little vignettes. He's a hostage, he's a construction worker. And then one of the funniest scenes in the movie is where Henry and Ulu are faking a mugging. That mugging takes place right here. You are on the spot. So Adam Sandler and Rob Schneider are right there. He's beating him up, faking like he's mugging him. Lucy's driving down the road. She sees it. She comes to his aid. What does she bring with her? A baseball bat. And she proceeds to beat the dirt out of him as she chases him down to that wood line down there. So when you guys watch that movie again, you know that you guys were sitting right on the very spot that scene took place. Yep, that's pretty cool. From the movie Jumanji with my boyfriend. Yeah. All right, you guys see the coconut trees right over there? Yeah. You see the ones farthest to the left. Just beyond that, it gets nice and flat. Yeah. That is where they built the transportation shed. So Ruby ran girls walking down the hills in the back, and the boys are kind of off to the side. Yeah? All right. Now I want you to notice how close that is to the road, because I'm going to come back to that in just a second.
Currently on the set of King Kong. How sick is this? There's his skull. And a Triceratops skull.
So good.